Okay, today I'm doing a remodeling project, and I'm putting a ceiling fan in my new house I'm remodeling. And I want to show you a quick way to test a light switch. Now, I've already figured out that the power, hot wires here, neutral, these are power coming in, and these are going to the wall plugs. And this is my wire going to my light switch. And one way you can test your light switch is using your continuity meter or using an ohms meter, okay, on your meter here, okay. So in my case, this is a real old meter, and I'm going to use the resistance, which is ohms. And basically how this works is when this wire goes down to the light switch, when I flip the switch on, the other wire comes back, okay. So it's a complete circuit. So what I'm going to do is turn the light switch on. Okay, now if everything is going right, I am going to test this out here. Okay, there's there and there, and this is kind of hard. Let's see if I can do this any easier way. Okay, touch it right here. Look, see that? Do you see the meter swing? Okay, that means the switch is working. Now if I turn that switch off, just to prove to you how this works, if I get seasick right here, if I touch, I should probably have a stripped out wire. See, the meter does not move. Okay, now some meters are going to have a little buzzer you can use to use continuity, which looks a bit easier. Some will have a little holder on the side, so you can do like this. And of course, I would suggest you strip your wire down a little bit more. Not the best to do it this way, but that's how you would check your light switch to see if it's working or not.